Hey guys, it's Joanne. I just want to say up front that I am going to sound very nasally because I have a very bad cold. I hope you had a good Mother's Day. Mine was good, nice and relaxing, and I hope that this video helps you to relax. I want to share with you my coastal themed do-it-yourself, very inexpensive decorations that I made with my daughter. Based on your response to my centerpiece DIY, I decided to make another DIY for you. This video is in collaboration with Ashleigh Lauren, and like myself, Ashleigh loves to paint and DIY furniture and decor. This woman has an eye for decor and is talented in what she does. She has a fun and carefree attitude, and I guarantee she will get you to smile several times when you are watching her videos. So after you're done watching my video, click on the link in my description box and tell her I sent you. Please let me know if you like this kind of video. If you do, click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click on the little bell icon. I do mom lifestyle videos, hair, hauls, and home cleaning and organizing and more. So let me know what type of videos you want to see next. Leave me a message in the comment section down below. So much fun hanging out with my daughter Jasmine. The girls and I always have fun together. Emily had a big exam that she wanted to study for. Otherwise, she would have been with us.
I like hanging out with you. It's fun. Even though
I
we're
like
just
hanging out with
sitting
you
here.
too.
Even though we're just sitting here, you know?
like it.
Cool.
Here we go. What do you think?
Yes.
All right, there you go. There's my unintentional DIY.
Yep.
Whee! That's actually really cute. Okay, so there's that.
Yeah. Okay, so it's gonna be going two ways. So dark at the bottom and then goes lighter. I'm so excited to see how that turns out. Okay. God, stupid glitter.
Oh, I got it all over my hand.
Never knew that I would say stupid glitter. Never knew I would say that. I love glitter. I'm sorry, honey. That came out of nowhere.
That's hilarious. I love you, Glitter. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Glitter.
I mean, it's hollow. Of course I'm sorry. It's hollow.
I'm sorry, Glitter. I love you so much. Forgive me.
Glitter is the only thing that I can trust in this world.
What a girl wants, what a girl needs.
Because I don't get to get manicures every day. Every week, so I have to do it myself.
Yep.
Seriously, like, when I get a job, I'm gonna save money for manicures.
Okay, this is so beautiful that I don't want to do the top. Like,
I like it like that. You don't
I
have to
know.
do it all the way.
It's gorgeous. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Okay, so I have my dampened sponge and
it's big.
my white paint.
Wait, why dampened?
Because it makes it more like a see-through. So this is kind of going to give like a grayish effect. I just love how everything turned out. As you see, I added some white sand from Dollar Tree to wet paint, and I added some rope to the pickle jar for a nice nautical touch. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below what project you think I should do next.